Biggest change, I guess as a player, I've been more patient with myself because the journey of me being here right now wasn't really easy. It's been a hard year.
559 days. Ganyang katagal ang hinintay ni Kim Kiana D mula nang magka-knee injury noong 2023 PVL Invitational Conference hanggang sa tumapak sa Taraflex bilang miyembro ng PLDT High Speed Hitters sa unang pagkakataon.
First time since July of 2023 on the court and first time for the PLDT High Speed Hitters. I can't believe I'm going to say this. She's making her debut on the court, on the playing court.
Pinasok si D sa fourth quarter ng laro kontra sister team na Signal HD Spikers. Hindi man nakascore, instant pa rin ang impact ng kanyang pagbabalik sa court. Tuluyang nanalo ang PLDT in 4 sets, 25-20, 25-21, 20-25 at 25-22.
Of course, super excited, and I mean, I haven't played the game for more than a year now. And to be with new teammates, since I'm new sa team, super excited to play with because I was with my team before for the past years, and just to play with new faces is such a parang so refreshing, and yeah, I was just really happy and excited to be part of the team inside.
Hindi na din napigilan ni D na maging emosyonal nang balikan ng mahirap na recovery process.
I'm still trying to get to my 100% and I'm slowly getting there. Yeah, it hasn't been easy, but thankfully with my teammates and my coaches, they make it easier for me kahit hirap na hirap na ako.
Opisyal na naging bahagi si D ng PLDT noong January 2024 matapos mabuwag ang F2 Logistics Cargo Movers. Dito muli niyang nakasama ang F2 at DLSU teammates na sina Majoy Baron at Kim Fajardo, pati na ang kapwa lasalista na si Mika Reyes. Kaya naman sila rin ang pinakamasaya nang muli silang magkasama-sama sa loob ng court.
Nakaka-excited. Ang laking bagay kahit, like, nakita ko pa lang siya naka-jersey, parang big deal na, parang nakaka-boost na agad ng moral. Kasi, syempre, ilang years, like, years na rin yung, or 1.5 years na ba yung wala siya. So, nakaka-miss and sana mas ma-feel niya pa yung court in the future.
Of course, masaya kami na nandyan na siya. Pero syempre, as a team na kami ganyan, marami pa rin kailangan i-polish. Saka since kakabalik niya nga lang, marami pang dapat, alam mo yun, kailangan ma-feel namin na connected kami as a team.
Si Coach Rald Ricafort din alam kung gaano kaimportante si Kiana para sa PLDT. Kaya't kahit nakabalik na si KKD, isisiguro pa rin ng high-speed hitters ang kanyang health.
Yung tagal nung sa recovery niya, we've been very patient naman. No? Hindi lang naman yun judgment ng para hindi siya gamitin all this time. Talagang complicated saka mahirap yung naging process nung sa kanya. Kahit siya nagiging impatient na rin at times. Pero gustong talaga namin na pag nakabalik siya, less na yung iisipin niya saka talagang fluid na yung galaw. Pero yun nga, at least nasubukan namin ngayon. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na yung recovery.
Balik action si D at ang high-speed hitters sa Martes, February 4, kung saan makakaharap nila ang Farm Fresh Foxies. Ngayong full force na ang PLDT. Ito na nga ba ang simula ng inaasam na championship run ng high-speed hitters? Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. For more sports updates, visit onesports.ph.